All right, so in this worksheet, adding fractions, what do you guys notice about this worksheet? That's the denominators are all the same, right? So when the denominators are the same, you go, woohoo, right? Because that's going to make it easy. Because the rule of adding fractions is what? You must have, right? You must have same denominators in order to combine. In order to combine them. So that goes for subtracting fractions too. It's not just adding, it's also subtracting. You must have the same denominator in order to combine. So woohoo, all of these have the same denominators, and this is just to help you practice adding fractions. So once they're the same denominator, when you add them, what do you do with the denominator? Do you do 13 plus 13? You keep it the same, right? So 13 plus 13, it's not 13 plus 13. You keep the denominator the same, right? So again, write your own notes. I'm not going to be writing everything out for you guys. So if you want to write things out for yourself, you guys can write, when adding fractions, you must have the same denominator in order to combine. You keep the denominators the same. And then what do we do with the numerators? Add. So numerator means the top of the fraction, you must add them. So 7 plus 4 gives me what? 11. Great. Without using your calculator, you do it in your head. And then I ask myself, can I simplify this? 11 over 13, can I make it smaller? No, right? They're not divisible by anything, so leave it as is. Moving on. 7 over 22 plus 14 over 22. What do I do with the denominator? Keep it the same. What do I do with the numerator? Add it. So we get 21. Can I simplify this?
Yes, you can divide it by 2.
14.
Never mind.
Try again. Nope, all good. It's okay. So 21, 22, that is the smallest it could go by. But it's good to check, can I divide it by anything, right? So let me do one where we actually have to do a little bit more work. Let's look at number 7. So again, this whole worksheet here, all the denominators are the same. So we're going to keep the denominator the same. The top becomes 8. And before we say submit and say this is our final answer, can I simplify this? Yes. What can I divide the top and bottom by? 4. Okay. If I divide the top and bottom by 4, what do I get? 8 divided by 4 is 2, and the denominator is 3, right? And that would be my final answer. Okay. So let me give you guys a chance now to go ahead and work on this worksheet. And again, I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes, and just go as fast as you can. Do it as most accurate as you can, and it's just your way of checking your understanding.